Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TubeBuddy for keyword targeting on YouTube. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable TubeBuddy for keyword targeting on YouTube, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, visit the TubeBuddy website at tubebuddy.com. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. If you have an account, click on login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to link your YouTube channel with TubeBuddy. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions. After linking your channel, you will be redirected to your TubeBuddy dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Keyword Explorer tool. Click on Keyword Explorer to begin analyzing potential keywords for your videos. Enter a keyword or phrase relevant to your content in the search bar. TubeBuddy will display various metrics such as search volume, competition, and overall score. Review these metrics to identify the best keywords to target. Take note of the keywords with high search volume and low competition. Next, use these keywords in your video titles and descriptions. To do this, go to your YouTube studio and select the video you want to edit. Click on the Details section to modify the title and description. Incorporate the targeted keywords naturally within your content. Consider also adding these keywords as tags for better visibility. Once you've updated your video, be sure to save the changes. Return to TubeBuddy and explore other features, such as the SEO Studio. Continue to monitor your analytics to see how your keyword targeting is performing over time. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data you gather. By following these steps, you will effectively enable TubeBuddy for keyword targeting on YouTube. This will help increase your visibility and reach within the platform. Utilize the insights from TubeBuddy to consistently improve your content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.